We have here a quadratic equation from Indian High School Living Certificate examination. The question is saying, find the roots of the following quadratic equation in which the equation is 2x squared minus 2 root 2 x plus 1. We can have different techniques to solve a quadratic equation, such as completing a square, a general quadratic formula, or we can sometimes use factorization, and then maybe also using graphs to solve a quadratic equation. These all techniques are covered in the lecture session of this channel. Let's do using the general quadratic equation formula in this case. The formula is saying the roots of a given quadratic equation with a general form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is the leading coefficient, which is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. The general formula for the roots of this equation are minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the general formula. So we will be having two parts. One is a plus and the other one is a minus. The first thing to do is to understand what these the roots look like is that we first check the value of b squared minus 4ac. Here in this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 root 2, and c is equal to 1, which we can find it here from the equation itself. So let's see what is the determinant b squared minus 4ac is. B squared minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 root 2 square minus 4 times 2 times 1, which is, in this part, we can square these two numbers individually. Minus 2 square is just 4, and root 2 square is just 2, minus 4 times 2. So here it is 0. So now we know that this equation is going to have two identical real roots, or simply one root. A graphical representation of it means that the graph is going to touch the x-axis at just only one point. Okay, this graph is opens up wide, and then there is only one point of touching, and then the whole graph body is going to be above the x-axis. Okay, we're not just going into that for now. And let's see what these two roots are. Let me go back to the general formula of the roots of the quadratic equation up here, and we start again. So minus b plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this case, this part is 0. We've checked it already. So the two roots are minus b divided by 2a. One is plus 0, and the other one is minus b divided by 2a. The other one is minus 0. Adding or subtracting 0 on a given number doesn't make change on the number. That's why we can say now we have only one root, or we can say two identical roots, which is minus b divided by 2a, which is exactly, numerically, minus b is, in this case, is 2 root 2, because b is, when b is minus 2 root 2, then minus b is 2 root 2. So minus b, which is 2 root 2, divided by 2a, a is 2, divided by 4, which is a little bit simplification on this one, root 2 over 2. This is the root of the quadratic equation. We can still write the number root 2 over 2. The numerator, as you see here, irrational, and the denominator is rational. So we can a little bit change the form into 2 if it comes in multiple choice form, which we can see 2 divided by 2 root 2. This cancels out. We can also call it 1 over root 2. In this case, it comes as just you solve the equation. There is no multiple choice, so you can end up here. But when it comes with a multiple choice, we need to look into the different forms of writing an irrational number. It can be rationalizing the denominator form, or maybe rationalizing the denominator form. So in any form, we can find it in the multiple choices. So this is the answer, that the root of this equation is 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. Thank you.